Cool breeze touch my skin. Morning rise on the hill. Heartbeat steady like a drum, guiding me still. Me walk through valley of noise and doubt, but my spirit never fade out. People talk but truth stays strong, like roots we grow deep all along. Every corner wall a lesson fi learn. Every struggle build the fire we burn. Me keep me mind clean, keep me soul free, 'cause freedom start inside of we. River of freedom flow through the land, lift every heart, hold every hand. Wash off the worry, wash off the pain, bring back sunshine after the rain. Me hear the elder voice whisper wise, say blessing fall where good vibes rise. So me follow that path, humble and sure, knowing what simple love can cure. Big city or small town lane, people all cry for the same sweet gain. Unity strong when the heart stay true. Better tomorrow start with you. No chains, no fear, only elevation. Rise up strong like a healing nation. Let the good energy circulate, turn every burden into something great. River of freedom flow through the land, lift every heart, hold every hand. Wash off the worry, wash off the pain, bring back sunshine after the rain. Carry the people, guide them strong, keep them moving all day long. So when darkness try to cloud the day, let the river show the way. Freedom call, soft but clear, always guide whoever here. Sunshine peek through the old oak tree. Nature whisper melodies to me. Me step with confidence through life's wild ride. Hope and patience by my side. Every setback shape me more. Me rise again stronger than before. Some chase glitter, some chase fame, but me chase peace, not spotlight name. Simple life, pure intention stay, that carry through night and day. Roots of gold, deep in the ground, hold me steady when storms come round. Blessings grow in the heart so kind, riches born in a humble mind. Me see the youth searching for guidance, trying to find their inner stride. Me show them love, show them respect, 'cause every soul deserve protect. Old songs echo through the breeze, carry healing like sweet melodies. With the heart pure, the spirit rise, painting hope across the skies. No hurry, no rush, just ja tempo. Move gentle like a river flow. One breath, one beat, one vibration, building up a peaceful nation. foundation. Roots of gold, deep in the ground. Hold me steady when storms come round. Blessings grow in the heart so kind. Riches born in a humble mind. Shine them bright, shine them true. Golden roots inside of you. So me hold on to the love me feel, 'cause that's the strongest shield. Roots of gold, forever stay, guiding me through every day. Like a lantern light me space. Every height reveal a new view. Show me lessons me never knew. Voices echo from far below, but me heart know where fi go. Me follow the rhythm of me own drum, knowing me strength yet to come. Mountain spirit rise, lift me high, carry me voice straight to the sky. Let me stand tall, firm and free. Show the world where me born fi be. Cloud shift slow like ancient song. Remind me where me truly belong. Nature speak with a subtle tone, saying you're strong, you're never alone. Missy villages down below. People fight but still they grow. Hope like water reach every hand, spreading life across the land. Me no fear no storm that rise. Me got courage in me eyes. Every mountain teach humility. Every climb strengthen unity. Mountain spirit rise, I lift me high, carry me voice straight to the sky. Let me stand tall, firm and free. Show the world where me born fi be. Let the echoes travel far, shining like a guiding star. So me step off with peaceful mind, leaving heavy thoughts behind. Mountain spirit ever near, lead me forward without fear. Ay, ay, ay. Why, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ay, ay, ay. Golden trail beneath my feet. Morning air so fresh, so sweet. Me step with purpose, eyes ahead, follow where the spirit led. Me walk the path of dusty stone, never truly feel alone. A gentle hum fill up the air, like ancient chorus floating there. Me hum along with steady breath, life itself defeat me death. Every moment paint a sign, point me to a truth divine. A traveler sit beneath a tree, sketching visions wild and free. He show me portraits of the land, drawn with strong and steady hand. He say every path reveal a clue, lead you deeper into you. Me nod and share a humble smile, reason with him for a while. Songs of the radiant path sound bright, guide we through the darkest night. Every step a sacred tune, glow beneath the rising moon. Songs uplift the heart and mind, lead we where the stars align. Walk with courage, walk with grace, find your rhythm, find your place. Me trod until the noon get high, sunbeam sparkle through the sky. A village rest along the road, people carrying gentle load. Them greet me warm, invite me near, share a melody sincere. We sing together joyful strong, blend the day with healing song. As dust descend with purple haze, me mind drift off in quiet praise. The path ahead still long and wide, but me feel a peace inside. Lanterns light the winding lane, ease the body, soothe the brain. Me know me journey far from done, still every step bring rising sun. Hold the rhythm as you go, let the radiant wisdom flow. Every step a chance for rise, every breath a new sunrise. Songs of the radiant path sound bright, guide we through the darkest night. Every step a sacred tune, glow beneath the rising moon. Songs uplifting heart and mind, lead we where the stars align. Walk with courage, walk with grace, find your rhythm, find your place. So when the doubts cloud up your way, sing your song and light your day. The radiant path will show you through, every note belong to you. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Nightfall wrap the streets in deep embrace, moon reflect a silver face. Me wander gentle through this scene, feeling calm and evergreen. Me hear a quiet rhythm near, soft enough to soothe the ear. A lonely singer on my line, voice like warm fermented wine. Me stop and listen, let it blend, like comfort from a long time friend. The silent spark with hidden glow, teach me more than words can show. A potter shaping clay by lamp, hands them steady, room them damp. He tell me what concrete heat. A group of youths writing lines, poems flowing like sacred signs. Them chant about the future's door, dreams them building more and more. Me feel the energy lift the air, hope grow bright everywhere. Midnight breeze sweep through the lane, ease the spirit, rinse the brain. Lantern sway in gentle arcs, painting warmth across the dark. Me watch the moment circle sweet, like time bow down at me feet. Every ember small but wise, glow forever in the skies. Hold your fire deep within. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Night far up the streets in deep embrace, moon reflect a silver face. Me wander gentle through the scene, feeling calm and evergreen. Me hear a quiet rhythm near, soft enough to soothe the ear. A lonely singer on my line, voice like warm fermented wine. Me stop and listen, let it blend, like comfort from a long time friend. The silent spark with hidden glow, teach me more than words can show. A potter shaping clay by lamp, hands them steady, room them damp. He tell me why he loved the night, less distraction, more insight. Me watch the vessel take its form, smooth like breeze, firm like storm. He say your soul is same, you see, shape it daily, patiently. Ember in the silence burn, guide me when me heart return. In the stillness light appear, show the path fi conquer fear. Ember glowing soft but strong, lead me when the road feel long. Hold the warmth, embrace the night, turn the shadows into light. Me walk again through quiet street, barefoot feel the concrete heat. A group of youths writing lines, poems flowing like sacred signs. Them chant about the future's door, dreams them building more and more. Me feel the energy lift the air, hope grow bright everywhere. Midnight breeze sweep through the lane, ease the spirit, rinse the brain. Lantern sway in gentle arcs, painting warmth across the dark. Me watch the moment settle sweet, like time bow down at me feet. Every ember small but wise, glow forever in the skies. Hold your fire deep within, let the silence make it spin. Every spark you carry through, shine enough to pull you through. Ember in the silence burn, guide me when me heart return. In the stillness light appear, show the path fi conquer fear. Ember glowing soft but strong, lead me when the road feel long. Hold the warmth, embrace the night, turn the shadows into light. So when the world get loud again, find your ember through the strain. In the silence you will see, every light begin with me. Ay, ay, ay. Zion is so high, man. mountain rising, Zion land. Holy work of Jah, and it touched the sky, it touched the flame. Zion mountain called Jah name, no Babylon can shake the ground. Zion mountain all around, forever standing pure and true. Zion mountain carry you. Zion mountain tall and strong, echo holy Jah song. Every stone a holy flame. Zion mountain praise his name. It crown the valley, crown the sea. Zion mountain destiny, forever holy, never gone. Zion mountain shining strong, it guard the children, guard the meek. Zion mountain all hearts seek, forever rising pure and wide. Zion mountain holy tide, we climb it in the morning sun. Zion mountain never done, it blaze eternal, never fall. Zion mountain fee all, forever glowing pure and true. Zion mountain carry you, it rise the people, rise the land. Zion mountain by Jah, and it stand eternal, strong and wide. Zion mountain holy guide, no Babylon can shake the stone. Zion mountain stand alone, forever holy, bright and free. Zion mountain destiny, it lift the spirit, lift the song. Zion mountain just strong. Zion mountain still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion mountain bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion mountain show Jah way, eternal rising, tall and long. Zion mountain Jah song, stand high, stand free. Zion mountain majesty, no chain, no wall can pull it down. Zion mountain wear the crown. Zion mountain tall and strong, echo holy Jah song. Every stone a holy flame. Zion mountain praise his name, from age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion mountain still carry on. Zion, Reggae man. Road to Zion, pure and wide. Jah guide me every stride. It shine with truth, it shine with flame. Zion road, exalt his name. No Babylon can block the way. Zion road, here to stay, forever holy, strong and true. Zion road, carry you. Zion road, clear and bright, guide the soul into Jah light. Every mile, a holy flame. Zion road, in the morning sun. Zion Road, never done. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion Road, by Jahan, forever shining, pure and true. Zion Road, carry you. No Babylon can hide the flame. Zion Road, call his name. It stretch eternal, far and near. Zion Road, forever clear, forever glowing, never cease. Zion Road, bring Jah peace. It guide the children, guide the youth. Zion Road, Jah truth, eternal highway, strong and free. Zion Road, destiny. When the trumpet sound again, Zion Road still remain, forever holy, never fall. Zion Road, bless us all, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion Road, show Jah way, eternal walking, pure and long. Zion Road, just song. Step high, step true. Zion Road for me and you. No chain, no wall can turn we back. Zion Road, keep we track. Zion Road, clear and bright, guide the soul into Jah light. Every mile a holy flame. Zion Road, praise his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion Road still carry on. Na 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 Zion reggae, yeah man. Oh, the land of Zion reggae, yeah man. Oh, before the daylight come alive, me feel just spirit revive. Me plant me seed in holy ground, hear the ancient sound. Every root reach far below, truth begin to grow. Me see the world just vanity, blind for Jah reality. But the roots know where them stand, deep inside Jah hand. Me feel the pulse under the clay, tell me everything okay. Nature tap me overstand, Jah control the land. Me see the city light so bright, but none compare to Jah light. Them build the towers tall and wide, but love inside can hide. Me prefer the humbleness, where earth and soul confess. Roots dig deep and never fade, Rasta made. We send roots of the dawn, rise again, break the chain of men. From the soil come strength anew, Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn, so pure, so strong, teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below, let Jah power flow. Me feel the sunrise on me face, Jah love fill the place. Every color in the sky, whisper Jah reply. Me chant up psalm for healing sound, bless bless the holy ground. Roots connect the past to now. Show me how. Oh, them try to cut the roots away, but Jah earth not decay. Me see the vine grow back again, wash away the pain. Roots of faith and love remain. Bless the sun and rain. Me stand tall in a Zion song, where I belong. Whoa, deep roots hold through storm and fire. Carry me higher. When the wind blow, me stay strong. Roots keep me long. From generation to generation, same foundation. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Roots of the dawn, rise again. Break the chain of men. From the cell come strength anew. Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn, so pure, so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let Jah power flow. When the night come creep again, me call Jah name. Roots of the dawn, forever grow. My soul know. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oi, oi, oi. Big spliff and coconut, yeah, man. Oi, 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 Ryan. Yeah. Under the rising sun, me pray for better youth and brighter day. Jah light guide every soul. Unity the goal. Me walk through the street, me see the pain. People tired of Babylon chain. Me chant a song for the youth, them strong. Jah lead them where them belong. Me see the roots start grow again. Love wash away the sin. Every heart beat same time. Jah rhythm so divine. Me feel the breeze of ancient song. Remind we where we belong. No matter color, creed or place, I'll share Jah grace. Me plant the seed, me nurture peace, till hate and greed release. Every voice become a drum, till redemption come. Yeah. Roots of tomorrow grow, plant them deep and let them show. One faith, one sound, one nation. Jah love the foundation. Rise up, children of creation. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Lift your vibration. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Zen of creation. Yeah, 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 yeah. Me see the youths them stand and smile. Strength and hope for every mile. Them eyes reflect the future clear. No more pain, no fear. Me chant for justice, me chant for truth. Jah wisdom bless the youth. Me hold the torch for the next one, till the healing done. Roots musician beat the drum. Better days soon come. Freedom spirit start to bloom. No more doom. Me plant the tree of love, me know. It grow where rivers flow low. No system can erase the roots of Jah grace. Roots of tomorrow grow. Plant them deep and let them show. One faith, one sound, one nation. Jah love the foundation. Rise up, children of creation. Lift your vibration. Lift gen of creation. So when this storm try break the ground, remember our roots sound. Deep in earth, them never die. Jah keep them high, 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 high,
sweetest melody ever sing. Song of Zion echo bring. Carry word of peace and love. Straight from heaven up above. It healed the hurt, it calmed the soul. Song of Zion make man whole. From drum to harp, from heart to hand. Song of Jah fill all the land. Song of Zion, pure and strong. Sing it loud, sing it long. Every nation, every tongue, join the song that must be sung. It's called the children home again. It wash away the grief and pain. It rise the heart, it lift the mind. Song of Zion, always kind. No hate, no war, can silence sound. Song of Zion, all around. Forever chant, forever play. Song of Jah, both night and day. It echo through the mountainside. Song of Zion, never hide. It chant the truth, it chant the flame. Every note called Jah true name. It bind the people hand in hand. Song of love across the land. No chain can stop, no wall divide. Song of Zion always guide. Me hear it when the night is still. Song of Zion bless me will. It sing of hope, it sing of peace. It make the troubled heart release. It teach the youth, it bless the old. Song of Zion never cold. Every verse a prayer so deep. Song of Jah our soul will keep. When the morning light arise, Song of Zion fill the skies. It never end, it never fade. Song eternal Jah has made. From root of man to crown above. Song of Zion, sing of love. Forever true, forever strong. Song of Zion, carry on. Sing high, sing free. Song of Zion, unity. No hate, no war can stop this sound. Song of Jah, all around. Song of Zion, pure and strong. Sing it loud, sing it long. Every nation, every tongue, join the song that must be sung. From first note to endless time. Song of Zion, ever shine.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Morning fog girl round the hilltop slow. Bird song scatter like a gentle glow. Me breathe in deep the rising day. Let nature guide me onward way. Me climb a pathway, twist and wind. Feeling peace inside my mind. Every leaf tell its own tale. Soft like breeze, strong like gale. Me hear a distant clouds fear rise and grow. The hillside speaking tongue so clear. Tell me live true, have no fear. A farmer working in the heat, planting seeds with patient feet. He greet me with a humble smile, say good things always take a while. Me watch him nurture earth with care, love and labor everywhere. His wisdom simple, built on years, calm me doubts and hush me fears. Whispers of the hills call strong, teach the spirit right from wrong. Lift we higher every day, show the mind a brighter way. Whispers rising soft and bold, guide the young and bless the old. Carry truth through distant skies, open hearts and clear the eyes. Me sit up on a rock for rest, sunshine pouring like a blessing pressed. Children run and chase the breeze, laughing loud beneath the trees. Me feel the joy surround the land, simple moments heal we hand in hand. Me close my eyes and feel the beat, earth beneath me steady feet. When sunset paint the sky in gold, stories of the day unfold. Villagers share tunes by firelight, singing soft into the night. The harmony soothe every mind, leave every trouble far behind. Me let the warmth calm every thought, and give thanks for lessons life has taught. Rise up slow, rise up free, let your heart move naturally. Hold the peace you find today, carry it along your way. Whispers of the hills call strong, teach the spirit right from wrong. Lift we higher every day, show the mind a brighter way. Whispers rising soft and bold, guide the young and bless the old. Carry truth through distant skies, open hearts and clear the eyes. So when your mind get lost or still, listen gentle to the hill. Every whisper hold a guide, walk with courage by its side.
Smoke with Zion, yeah man. Me rise before the morning sun, another battle soon begun. Me feel the wind upon me face, Jah guide me in this place. From the ashes of oppression grow a strength that Babylon nah know. Lion spirit waking at the heart, freedom art. Me see the people stand again after centuries of pain. The fire inside can't be tamed. No more shackles, no more chains. Me chant for the poor and weak, give voice for them who can't speak. Every drum beat, every cry echo through the sky. Me trod the road them paved with lies, still me hold me head high. Them system cold like steel and stone, but me now walk alone. Me hear the whisper in the breeze. Rasta youth stand in peace, truth no fear, love no die. Me lift me eyes to the sky, fly on the wings of the lion, strong and bold, Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight, hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion free, power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day, lead we on the righteous way. Me see the wicked try divide, but unity can't hide. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the chant of Rasta louder. Me see the youths them wise and proud, chant redemption loud. Me know Jah time soon come, the battle soon done. Me look on the mountain tall, hear creation call. Every leaf and every tree whisper Jah melody. Me see the river shining clear, wash away me fear. Lion roar through the land, justice in a Jah hand. No chain can bind a righteous man. No force can stop Jah plan. From darkness come the light, Rasta keep it bright. Me chant me psalm through every storm, spirit transform. Me walk with courage, faith and song, for the journey long. No, yeah. Fly on the wings of the lion, strong and bold, Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight, hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion, free, power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day, lead we on the righteous way. Go fly on the wings of the lion, soaring high, freedom paint the sky. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. No chain, no gun, no king can silence Jah within. No, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Me rest me soul upon higher ground, peace and truth surround. Wings of the lion carry me home to Jah eternal throne. Forever free, forever strong, Jah love live long. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Aye, 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 I am Reggae man. Aye, 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 Zion Reggae man. Blow across the desert wide, wind of freedom, holy guide. Carry voices, lift the song, break the chain that held too long. No one see it, still it's real. Wind of Zion start to heal. Every whisper, every breath, wind of life, defeat of death. Banner wave upon the hill, wind of Jah fulfill the will. Shout of youth, cry of poor, wind of justice shake the door. Iron bars them swing aside, wind of freedom flood the tide. Every nation hear the sound, wind of mercy spread around. Not of sword, not of fire, wind uplift the soul higher. Gentle breeze and mighty storm, wind of Zion still transform. Dust of war swept away, wind of peace declare the day. Tear them wall, lift the veil, wind of truth will never fail. Sailor guide, prophet sing, wind announce Jah Jah King. Whisper soft yet strong and clear, wind of Zion always near. Babylon try to hold it back, still the wind stay on track. Flow eternal, bold and free, wind of love for destiny. Blow, blow, mighty sound, lift the people off the ground. Rise, rise, spirit strong, wind of Zion carry on. of liberation, free and true. Blow the chains away from you. Never stopping, never still. Wind of Zion guide your will. Forever flowing, high and strong. Wind of freedom, carry song. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no. No, 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 no. Sunshine drip up on the ground. Life awake in every sound. Me stretch me limbs with gentle ease. Breathe the wisdom of the trees. Me stroll into a garden white. Color bloom on every side. Each flower tell a sacred tale about storms survived and winds that wail. Me kneel and touch the fertile soil. Feel the history of toil. People plant with love and care. Legacy living everywhere. Me meet a youth watering vines. Bright ambition in his lines. He tell me dreams fi grow and rise. Reach the mountain, kiss the skies. Me tell him tend your inner seed. Feed it passion, strength and creed. His eyes light up with fierce delight. Ready fi chase the morning light. Garden of rising, roots stand tall. Grow through struggle, conquer all. Every stem and every leaf. Teach we power, teach we grief. Garden blooming, bold and free. Birth of future we long to see. Rises roots beneath the sun. Stand united, stand as one. Me pause near trees so old and wide. Their shadows cool and dignified. Them branches hold these songs of time. Echo deep like ancient rhyme. Birds them weave a vibrant tune. Lift their spirit afternoon. Me feel the rhythm fill me chest. Nature giving all its best. Evening glow paint soft design. Gold and amber intertwine. Workers gather share delight. Reason about the day and night. Me sit and soak the honest air. Blessed for witness love so rare. Roots of unity spread and climb. Link each person through all time. Nurture what you wish to grow. Give it sunshine, let it flow. Every root, all future bright. Deep beneath the earth's insight. Garden of rising, roots stand tall. Grow through struggle, conquer all. Every stem and every leaf. Teach we power, teach we grief. Garden blooming, bold and free. Birth of future we long to see. Rise as roots beneath the sun. Stand united, stand as one.
God bless the people, yeah man. Heart of a lion beat inside. No fear, no pride. Me hear the drum of truth start roll. Echo through my soul. Me stand against Babylon wall. Still them spread fear, them spread lies, but me see through them disguise. Jah give me strength to carry on till the morning sun. Me hear the people call for change, voices strong and strange. Me see the children dance again, wash away the pain. Heartbeat steady like a drum. Jah kingdom come, come. Lion heart beat strong and pure. Love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear. Jah always near. Lion heartbeat never slow. Keep the righteous flow. Every step me take me see Jah live in me. Me walk through the shadow place, still me see Jah face. No weapon formed against me stand. Protected by Jah and me hold me faith when night fall. Hear Jah call. Me feel the beat within the ground. Ancient holy sound, it guide me back to who me be. Spirit set me free. Lion heart no bend no break. Love awake. Courage come from deep inside. Truth can't hide. When the world turn cold and rough, Jah love enough. Lion heart beat strong and pure. Love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear. Jah always near. Lion heart beat never slow. Keep the righteous flow. Every step me take me see Jah live in. Lion heart beat till the end. Love me defend, me soul roaring Zion song, forever strong.
Ganja and reggae, oh yeah, oh yeah. Me take one step closer today. Jah guide me way through this storm and heavy rain. Still me chant refrain. Me been through trials, me been through fight, but never lose the sight. Jah wisdom led me road. Me heavy load, every scar become a sign of Jah design. Me walk with purpose strong. Me sing me righteous song. Me see the people search for peace. Them soul want release. Me tell them hold on tight. Jah soon make all things right. Faith like fire, love like rain. Wash away the pain, no man can dim my flame. My call Jah name.
One step closer now.
Jah show me how.
One love, one life, one way.
Walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. Me see the mountain high, but my spirit fly. No obstacle too tall. Just an overall. Me chant for hope, me chant for truth. Bless the wisdom of the youth. Me feel the drum beating on my soul. Rasta reach the goal. Every chant, every cry, lift me high. The journey long, but Jah near. No more fear. Me step by faith, not sight. Jah light my guide at night. Each breath me give tongue. No fear in the wrong.
One step closer now.
Jah show me how.
One love, one life, one way.
Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. So when the road get rough and wide, keep Jah inside. Every step me take through. Jah carry me through. Jah carry me through. for truth. Carry hope for every youth. Drums are beat like ancient call. Lift the spirit, stand up tall. Me walk through lane where shadows dwell. Hear the people stories tell, but deep inside a brighter flame. Keep the soul from fall to shame. Every step I build me mind. Strength in places where hard we find. Harmony rise in every sound. Push me forward, hold me ground. Storm a come but me still hold firm. Life a school and we all must learn. When the burden heavy upon me back, me push ahead, no time for slack. Voices join in unity strong. Turn the struggle into song. Hope I grow with steady pace. Light a shine in every face. Rising at the heartbeat, rise again. Feel the rhythm flow through every vein. Lift the spirit, chase away the night. Hold the faith and step into the light. Rising at the heartbeat, never fall. One vibration for one and all. Me hear the elders reason wise. Say strength is born when courage rise. Me hold them words like sacred fire. Burn the doubt, lift me higher. Forward ever truth me guide. Hope I dwell deep inside. Every breath a healing start. Warm the coldest part. Crowd a gather, drum a beat. Joy return in every street. Voices blend in melody pure. Bring the healing when we endure. Feet a move and hands a sway. Music blaze the worry away. Harmony in every tone. Lift the massive as one throne. No division, no despair. Peace a flow through every prayer. Hand in hand with stronger beat. Unity unlock the key. Time for build and time for grow. Love I lead the way we go. Rising at the heartbeat, rise again. Feel the rhythm flow through every vein. Lift the spirit, chase away the night. Hold the faith and step into the light. Rising at the heartbeat, never fall. One vibration for one and all. Rise up higher, shine so bright. Spread the blessing through the night. So when the journey feel too long, hold the power of your song. Beat the drum and keep it true. Better days are go come for you. Rising at the heartbeat still. Follow hope and follow will. Rising at the heartbeat still. Follow hope and follow will. Na na na. Na 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 na.
Aye, 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 aye. Yeah, man, give me the paper, yeah, man. Me hear the earth call out me name. Protect the life, protect the flame. Me kneel and touch the holy soil. Bless me time. The mountains speak, the river cry. Jah creation never lie. Man abuse the gift them get. Still Jah not forget.
chant for balance and care. Clean the air. Me see the forest lose the leaf, world in grief. But love a stronger seed, planted indeed. Me teach the youth to love the land, work with Chant, we chant off the earth. Sing loud, lift the people, lift the crowd. Heal the ocean, heal the tree. Make creation free. Chant off the earth, righteous stone. Every creature, Jah own. Respect the ground we tread. Live instead. Me feel the rhythm in the rain, wash away my pain. Thunder roll like I been the drum. Better days soon come. Me dance under the open sky, spirit high. Me hear the ancient song again, travel through each vein. It tell me man and earth same one, under just sun. So me chant till vice done gone, still live on. Creation singing perfect tone, we never alone. Every wave and every breeze, speak Jah peace. We chant off the earth, sing loud, lift the people, lift the crowd. Heal the ocean, heal the tree. Make creation free. Chant off the earth, righteous stone. Every creature, Jah own. Respect the ground we tread. Live instead. Earth and man together stand, one divine hand. Me chant till morning rise. Bless the sky.